welcome. Hello, beautiful children of God. I'm so grateful to be here. It's been many months, possibly a year. I had one video that was just like this ridiculous, like joking around video outside. I was singing or something. Anyhow, thank you so much for being here, beautiful children of God. So, going through shadow work. The only way through something is going through it. Thank you so much. That's all I wanted to share today. The only way of going through something is by simply going through it. How you choose to respond or react or learn or relearn or be asleep or be awake or be low dimensional or high dimensional. But regardless, the only way through it is by going through it. Thank you so much for being here today in the MystiCOOLS. We're so grateful that we could be back in action. Going through it is the way through it. Many, many blessings. Namaste.